Here's a 2D image converted to a 3D mesh using a depth map, which is shown on the left side here, and then some simple modifiers in Blender on the right side. So the three modifiers being used is subdivision, displace, smooth, and I actually use my own tool. It's called zForm to speed up the workflow, but it does pretty much exactly the same as what you want to do on the modifiers. You can just do 3 simple steps. So let's start from the very beginning. I'm going to delete the image and the depth map, and then I'm going to open up the same image again. You move it up, then find the depth map. This is the depth map, and then all you got to do is click Apply Depth. And there you go. You've got your 2D image converted to a 3D mesh. So you can adjust things like the subdivision. I'm going to increase the subdivision to 8. And again, everything is adjusted and my tool is adjusted in the modifiers. And that's not bad. I'm going to delete this one and try another one. So some of these coins look really good. So I'm going to actually pick this one here, 9041, and then the depth map. And then I'm going to apply the depth map. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to drop the depth strength down to 0.8. Get a little bit flatter. Let me try another coin. So, all right, we'll try this one here of a witch. And then I need to find the depth map. So this is the depth map. And then I'm going to click Apply Depth Map. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cool. I've enjoyed doing this quite a lot. All right, let's try one more. And which one should we try? Let's try this house here. Okay, and then find the depth map. Then I'm going to increase the depth strength to 2 because I want more depth for this house. Apply. So this is what it looks like for the house. Not bad. I'm going to increase the depth strength to 2.5. Okay. So if you look on the side, it looks terrible. So here's the side, and then the back is hollow. So if you go on the back side, it's completely hollow. So really, with these 3D mesh, like 2D image converted to 3D mesh, you can sometimes get some really nice angles from the front and partial sides, but the full side and the back just look terrible. And then let me also show you what it looks like if I'm going to apply the modifiers, which means I'm just going to apply the modifiers on the right side here, but in my tool. So let me click Apply and then move this back. And then I'm going to go into edit mode. So in edit mode, you can see these are tiny little vertices, and the vertices are making up this 3D mesh. This is just a simple mesh. You really can't do a whole lot on the side and the back. So far what I've been doing is just playing around with it from the front side. All right, that's all I got.